What's up, everyone? My name's Alex. People have been asking me to do a bike check for probably ever since I got this bike, so we're gonna do it now. 60-second bike check. Here we go. So right now I got a Fox 34 up front, factory, everything 150 mils of travel. In the rear we got a RockShox Monarch, 140 mils of travel, and then I run my suspension around 4 clicks off the fastest rebound. I like kind of fast rebound. Let's see, brakes are Shimano Dior. They got 100 millimeter rotors front and rear. And then I got a SRAM 1x10 with a Shimano cassette on the rear. That's 11 to 36, so it's not the best at climbing, but it works. FSA cranks, we got Schwalbe Hans Dampf tires, 2.4 inches wide about, and then I got Sensus grips, really cushiony, really fun to play with their lock-ons, and I think that's about it. Yeah. So my favorite trail, either entertainment or honestly, show me the horse, really good downhills. My bike does not have a name. I should think of one though. That'd be good. I don't listen to music on the trails, no. Really gotta get that nature sound going, you know? So yeah. Whoa! If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave a like down below, comment anything you want, and subscribe if you're new. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.